Did you know every time you hiccup, your body is running a program for a body part you haven't had in over 300 million years? Here's what's actually happening. Your ancient fish ancestors used a two-stage breathing motion to flush water over their gills. That exact reflex got hardwired into the nervous system. Then gills disappeared, but the wiring stayed. So when you hiccup, your brain is firing a signal for gills that vanished before dinosaurs even existed. You're not malfunctioning. You're just haunted by your fish past.